first prize, Omnia oven. What else, Vanna? Also in the first prize, the cookbook. You gonna do the 3D sound?
Yep.
And last but not least, as part of the first prize, the Omnia oven thermometer.
Nice.
You didn't do the sound. So that will be first prize. Second prize will be a product that we did buy with our own money. This is a style 3-piece silicone separator. So these 3 pieces here, these 3 pieces will fit inside the Omnia oven perfectly, and you can make a 3-course meal if you want, or you could make 3 different types of cakes. Either way, this is not an Omnia product. However, lots of people use them, lots of people like them, and we have a few of them we can give away. So this is the second prize, along with the Omnia oven, what do you call this? Ah, it's an apron. Is it an apron in 3D?
Apron.
Apron in 3D?
Yeah.
So the second prize will be the silicone separators with the apron. Third prize will be the Omnia thermometer 3D. And along with all those prizes, we're going to give away some bean swag. So we have a couple of refrigerator magnets, or I guess you could put a magnet anywhere. We have some Little House of Bean pens and some Little House of Beans beer koozie, because there's nothing better than having a beer with Stu and Edye.